welcome to my channel. If you're watching this video, then it's likely that you're facing some issues deploying your own smart contract module on Bunzz. Now, currently, at the time of recording, there is an ongoing Web3Afrika Hackathon. And while I was on this hackathon, I faced some issues deploying my own smart contract module to the Bunzz site. First of all, I would like to show you the issue I faced. This might be the same with yours. So first of all, I'm going to log in. Now, once you have logged in and you want to create your own module template, what you have to do is to go to the repository. Once you've clicked the repository, you click on this create a module template. Then you select your smart contract. Load the file. Now you can see it is uploaded. Now in my smart contract, the Solidity version I specified was 0.8.7. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose that so I don't receive an error. And also something else to note is that your contract name should be equal to the file name. So whatever name you give your contract should be the same as the name you give the file. Now moving forward, you can click on the upload. So at the time of recording, this is where I find my problem. After I click all this, after I've filled all this and I click the save, it doesn't work. It almost seems like the save button, there is no functionality there. So I went over to their Discord channel and I was able to get help on this. So I went over to the Discord and I went to the troubleshooting section and I saw this post that suggests something similar to what I faced. And then Bunzz replied. So here it was saying, if you're concerned about the hackathon's requirements, which of course is what I'm concerned about, it says your project still qualifies for hackathon prize by using Bunzz somehow, apart from deploying your smart contracts in Bunzz. So you can still use your project can still be graded even if you do, as long as you used something about Bunzz. And then it went ahead to explain what to do, which is what I'm going to do right now. So follow along, take the process. All right, so we'll be heading back to the Bunzz website. Now, first of all, what you have to do, if you've not done that already, you have to create a DApp first. You have to create, once you've created the DApp, you can give it a name. Then you can choose the network with which you want it to be deployed to. You can choose, here I'm choosing Gweli. Click next. Now you can see tons of smart contract template modules you can choose from. So I'm just going to choose this one. Click on the add and then you click next. So here it tells you to give a token. So this is an ERC20 token smart contract. So you have to name your token, then the symbol, you give it a symbol, decimal. I'm just going to use 18 here. And then you click deploy. I'm not going to be deploying it because I've already done that before. So once you've deployed your contract, it will look something like this. It will look something like this. Now we want to, how do we now import our own module? our own template module. So to do this, you go over to the one you deployed by clicking it. After you've deployed it, you can click this place that is written external module. Click on it, put your name, the name of the module, the contract address, assuming you've already deployed on Remix. So you click the contract address and you click the ABI. If you don't know where to get the ABI, you can get the ABI. I'll show you quickly. So once you've deployed your, this is Remix IDE. Once you've deployed your contract, you can get the ABI from this place. Here, you can see it's written ABI. So you can simply copy that and go over to the Bunzz site and paste it. Paste your ABI. So you can see it's pasted. If you don't know where to get your contract address, of course, your contract address is the address that the smart contract is deployed to. To get that, also in your Remix, you can go over here. Here it is written. Once you're interacting with the smart contract you deployed, you can copy that. And then you can go over to the Bunzz site and then paste that as well. So that is it. Once you've done all this, you can click the import. I'm not going to be clicking that because I've done that already. So once you click the import, it should look something like this. It should look something like this. So now once you've done this, you can now go ahead with your app, create your app. You can use your ABI and your contract address to interact with it. As long as you've done this, you've qualified for the Bunzz pricing criteria. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful.